puppy that would sit outside in the rain chewing on a bone. It's chucking it down. Look how wet you are. You're soaked. Look at you. Sugar. No. We're not going to covers off. God, it's his dog. Your game is a big trouble. Stop. Marley! Wait! Stop it! You wrecked the settee. Come on, off. Off. You go, Gilla. Oh no. You're near his gorilla.
Yeah, but I already got him.
Oh no, you upset him.
No, because you don't know where his killer is.
Sass. As long as he can breathe.
Yeah, you can. You can hear him.
His gorilla looks like he's doing the superhero move. Starts making some horrible gurgling noises. You finished? Shh. No barking. We've discussed this. No barking. You're gonna be nice to your puppy, Marley. Marley, no. Marley. I took ages sewing that ear on. Oi! You ripping his ears off. So sorry. Shit. Oh no. Oh Harry, no. Day one of the fair, the first time I'm going to see it. It's always exciting. First sight of the fair. Shakiest hand ever. It's always a little bit further pitched back when it's the summer one. It means they can use more space on the far side rather than this beginning section. It's great. I don't actually know what's going to be on the fair. This is so fun when you have not a clue. It looks so big. I wonder where I'm going to be. Not a clue. And then from here, it looks like people are almost placed where they were last year, but not quite. Looking weird. And the Dumbos are here. That's exciting. I thought they'd sold them. I'm currently running on a blocked ear and a swollen ear, so my hearing is to a minimal. So I imagine once the music gets going, I'm gonna have to start shouting at people to be like, I can't hear you, shout at me. Oh, hay fever season sucks. Although apparently this is no longer hay fever, this is an infection. So that's cute. It's all I needed before starting work. Day 2. I'm drowsy from all the hay fever tablets. That's okay. My hearing is a little bit better until I put some ear spray in, and now the ear is just, I just can't hear a lot. Luckily nobody shouted at me yesterday because somehow my ears were like clear enough. It's my H&M outfit, go me. I'm so ready. I hope that this darkness doesn't happen too long, because your car needs to earn some coin for a bus pass. So, also the Dumbos have actually changed hands. So though they're on the site, they're not with the same company they were last year. So that's like cool. Companies do that a lot. They'll like get rid of stuff, swap it out, and other companies will take it because it's exciting when people hire them. They have something new. Oh no. Okay, let me say so. This man has just walked over there, down the bottom there, and there's literally like a good, I want to say 40 geese. Like there's like a school of geese down there, and they just followed him to their chair. One wrong move and they're gonna get him. There seems to be a lot of geese in Abbey Park this year, and they seem to like walk around as a mass group and just follow anything that might have food or be of interest to them.